Good morning, Rodney the roofer here. We're starting another project out in Grapevine. My guys have things covered and tarped in the whole nine. Philip is here on the job site. But the biggest thing I want to talk about today is the siding. So a lot of you know I have my Bachelor's of Insurance Restoration, and this is definitely an insurance issue that needs to be tackled by someone who understands the business. So this siding that we have here is a pressed cardboard, and it's no longer in existence. And so in order to put this roof system on, we've actually have to remove some of this siding. Well, we can't go back with the same type of siding because it no longer is made. So the problem that we have here is that underneath, right in this section right there, there's what we call a step flashing that's underneath that siding and underneath the actual shingles themselves, right there in the corner. So with that step flashing underneath the siding, then we can't actually replace it. So we actually fought the major insurance company. We won that battle. They're actually going to come out. I mean, they're actually going to pay for that siding actually. And so my client is not only getting a brand new roof system, they're actually going to get brand new siding all the way around. So that's what I do. We're more than just a roofer. And that's what I do as an insurance restoration specialist. We understand the nuances of insurance and what you're entitled to as a homeowner.